the national anthem.
I remain yours truly, the state chairman of IPAC, Sensei Saul Swema Osaro Esquire. Thank you, sir. Observed. Today is a great day, sir, and the lives of the political parties and representatives of political parties in Rivers State. We are most delighted and privileged to have us in your presence, sir. Thank you, sir, for your magnanimity and fatherly disposition. Seated before you, sir, are the members of the Inter-Party Advisory Council, IPAC Rivers State Chapter. We are here today, sir, on this visit, and indulge me to present to you, sir, a very short address we have made for you. Again, let me present the address to you, sir. Your Excellency, on behalf of the Inter-Party Advisory Council, IPAC Rivers State, I thank you for granting us this privileged interactive avenue to meet with you today. IPAC is a roundtable of political parties, sparing courage among political parties and the society at large. We stand as dependable agents of change in the democratic playground. Nonetheless, with the elections come and gone, it is practically a time to face governance and to ensure deliverables of dividends to the people of Rivers State. Herein lies the core of our visit today, to forge a collaborative bond with His Excellency, to foster partnership for the overall interest of Rivers people. Your Excellency, we heartily congratulate you on the Supreme Court judgment which affirmed your election at the polls. To this end, we in the IPAC have passed a vote of confidence on His Excellency and assure you of our collaborative, collective and individual support to succeed now in the cause for justice and liberty. Your Excellency, we stand with you for the cause of justice and liberty. Having keenly followed your administration's human and infrastructural development agenda since its inception on May 29, 2023, we have no reason to doubt His Excellency's genuine intentions to improve the lot of Rivers people. Your Excellency, do not be distracted, because Rivers people are with you. Your resilience is our courage. We will stand tall with you through thick and thin, rain, sun, and moon, to ensure that that which you desire, the good intentions you have, are achieved and attained in Rivers State. It is true that everything you stand for this moment is likened to what Professor Wole Soyinka said in one of his popular books, The Man Died. And he said, certain foundations must be laid right now, whose ideals will at last rescue us from these common exercises, butcheries, bestialities, and setbacks, and all the rest. Your Excellency, you're laying a solid foundation, and we will stand with you, by you, as pillars of this foundation. Today, we have unanimously endorsed you as our Grand Patron and leader. Your Excellency, accept our special presentations in this regard. Your Excellency, we bring you greetings from the National Chairman of IPAC, Alhaji Yusuf Dantale, on behalf of the national leadership and the General Assembly of IPAC, Abuja. find attached herewith the national leaders with regards to River State programs. Your Excellency, as an institution with enormous responsibilities and as our Grand Patron, we believe our challenges and difficulties will be mitigated by your kindest dispositions. Consequently, find attached herewith our humble requests, as we believe your administration will help make IPAC River State stand out tall in Nigeria with empirical values and legacies to be remembered. Thank you, Your Excellency, and God bless you. I remain yours in veritas ministerium justitia, in truth, service, and justice. Sensis Swema Osaru Esquire.